In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to write in Inkscape, whether you're adding simple text or creating more advanced designs like text that follows a curve. If you're new to Inkscape, don't worry, I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can start creating clean, professional-looking text in just a few minutes. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy design tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open up Inkscape and create a new document. To start writing, head over to the left-hand toolbar and select the Text tool. You can also press the shortcut key T on your keyboard, which is a quick way to access it. Now, once the Text tool is active, you have two ways to start typing. If you simply click anywhere on the canvas, you'll create a single line of text. This is perfect for titles, headings, or short labels. Just click and start typing, and your text will appear instantly. If you want to create a paragraph instead, click and drag your mouse across the canvas. This creates a text box, and any text you type will automatically wrap inside that box. This is especially useful for longer blocks of text like descriptions or body content. Next, let's customize your text. At the top of the screen, you'll see the Tool Controls bar. This is where you can change things like the font size, and alignment. Go ahead and experiment with different fonts to match your design style. You can also adjust spacing, make text bold or italic, and align it left, center, or right, depending on your needs. Now let's move on to something a bit more advanced. Writing text along a path. This is a really powerful feature if you're creating logos, badges, or circular designs. First, you need a path for your text to follow. You can draw one using tools like the Bezier tool, or you can create a shape like a circle or curve. For example, try drawing a circle using the ellipse tool. Once you have your shape ready, grab the text tool again and type out your text somewhere on the canvas. It doesn't need to be perfectly positioned yet. Now switch to the selection tool by pressing S or clicking the arrow icon. Hold Shift and click to select both your text and the path at the same time. With both selected, go up to the top menu, click on Text, and then choose Put on the Path. Instantly, your text will snap onto the shape and follow its curve. If the text looks a bit off, don't worry. You can still adjust it by selecting the text and using the handles or tweaking the path itself. You can even flip the text position or adjust spacing to get the exact look you want. And that's it. You now know how to write in Inkscape, from basic text entry to creating curved text effects. These simple techniques can make a huge difference in your designs. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Inkscape tips and design guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.